Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to point to a letter, and I would like you guys to tell me the sound the letter makes. This is the letter S. What sound does S make? S. Very good. This is the letter P. What sound does P make? P, p, p. This is F. What sound does F make? Great job. This is the letter G. G says G. G. Good job. I told you guys that one. What's this letter? This is a J, and what sound does J make? J. J. What's this letter all the way over here? An M. And the M goes mmm. What's this letter? Letter A, and A says ah. What's that letter? O. O says aw. What's this letter? E. E says eh, eh. How about this letter? It's a U. U goes What's that letter? A Y, and a Y says yeah, yeah. Great job, boys and girls. Keep practicing. Bye.